Our next report comes from Oxford, a place usually associated with clever professors and rowing clubs, but apparently it's now attracting devils. Yes, you heard that right. While most people hire a boat for a quiet afternoon, one local man swears he won't rent to demons. Something about health and safety. And frankly, who can blame him? Oars and horns rarely mix well. I'm Daniel Crowe, and this is Worldview News. Let's go to the newsreel.
4 huge devil-looking blokes walked in, to proper horns and all this, and just asked for a table in the sunshine. They were so polite, I gave them the biggest one we had.
She shows up late, wearing Crocs. Crocs! At the Ivy. Then she orders chicken nuggets and complains the wine wasn't fizzy enough. I told him, Taya, I don't rent boats to demons. Health and safety. But one of them let rip the smelliest fart I've ever witnessed.
Well, if those really were devils on the riverbank, at least Oxford finally has something scarier than the price of student rent. Strange news just coming in now. Let me pass you straight over to our reporter in Hollywood, California. There's breaking news about a scary-looking female causing chaos at a local nail bar. Straight to our reporter on the scene. Kelly, what do you have for us?
Thanks, Daniel. I spoke with the nail technician here at one of Hollywood's best-known nail bars. And quite frankly, it's hard to comprehend what she told me. Thankfully, the salon's security cameras caught everything. Here's a snapshot of what actually happened.
She walked in without an appointment. I told her 3 times we were fully booked, but she just stared at me with those claws. What was I supposed to do? Say no. I don't get paid enough for this. It's fine when I get them done at home. Why is this so difficult?
Uh-huh.
Yes. We'll just take a little off the top. In all my years, I've never seen anything like it. I mean, we've done acrylics, gels, even toenails from hell, but this.
A monster getting a manicure. Now that's one way to kill the beauty industry. But stop for a second. What's really going on here? Why are these creatures popping up everywhere? Have we disturbed their realms? Is it the wars we've made? Or is something greater forcing its way through? Nobody has the answer. What I do know is the world is shifting. And it's not just AI, robots, and ChatGPT we have to worry about anymore. Now it seems we've opened a door we can't close. And if you thought the manicure was strange, our next clip might just break your brain. Beasts performing poetry. Yes, really. Watch this.
I rise where the lamplight falters, a whisper between walls and doors. Roots in my veins, antlers heavy with prayers. I carry the forest, but walk alone.
Gold in my grin, trouble in my pocket. Laugh now, your shoes will be gone tomorrow.
Devils in Oxford, a beast demanding a manicure, and monsters reciting poetry. What's next? Well, I've given up guessing, but as soon as I know, you'll know. Thanks for watching. This is me, Daniel Crowe, wishing you a safe night and a troublesome day. And remember, there will be more. Subscribe and stay tuned for more unbelievable nonsense. Good night, and sleep tight if you can.